Do now what you can't do later. Those babies are going to be just little for such a short period of time, Mom. Just take care of them, love on them, and do now what you can't do later. Gifted kids are curious, they're fun, they're inquisitive, they ask lots of questions. This time too will pass. I remember when my young gifted boy was 3 years old, we had gone on a little adventure to a small theme park in North Idaho called Silverwood, and he was so focused on the gun robbery that happened when we went on the train ride that he met a guy at the pharmacy line after we were there, and the man was listening to him, and I think he was a professor at the local university, and he said, "I think I just heard the entire Harry Potter novel in French." He was so excited. These gifted kids are so excited. So do now what you can't do later. Love on them, be the best mama you can be, and know that time passes quickly.